Good morning, a phrase I hope isn't taken ironically given the rest of the video. In college, my room's been a bit of a hangout spot, which I quite enjoy, but this means that one day my friend Jeffrey decided to open his new package on my desk. To be fair, people opening their packages on my desk wasn't exactly a one-time occurrence, but this time the package contained the supersonic boom alarm clock with built-in bed shaker. The supersonic boom alarm clock with built-in bed shaker was a gift from his parents after sleeping through a couple of his classes. Rather than set this up in his room where he would be using it, we had the pleasure of being startled with him testing it out right with us. I bring you now to my Gambia room where the supersonic boom alarm clock with built-in bed shaker has been turned on, and action is already in progress.
Oh god, no! Make it stop! Hold it!
Stop test mode.
Stop test mode! If within 1 minute no button is pressed, then it will exit test mode and return back to test. Press a button! Press a button! Even stop! No! No!
Stop! I want to see how much higher it gets.
Stop! Is the tone fucking... It's not a button.
Wait,
It's
put it
not
back
a
on.
button, check it.
Oh.
Dude, make some sweet jams there. It died.
So get him right.
I would really hate you.
What? How do I get it to do both? It doesn't. Ah, got him. Can you like see how it's vibrating my eye?
I can see how it's vibrating itself. Rapid motion.
Oh, that's terrifying. It's like a little pet, and then it freaks out, and then I'm like, nah. And it's like, nah, and I'm like, it's like, grrr.
Fucking shit.
Time and snooze, right? I forgot about that.
Turn the sound
Just
on.
okay. Okay, here's a 1.
It's not buzzing.
I know. 2. No, it's a 5.
Turn on the buzzing.
I don't want it.
We missed the buzzing.
I don't want it. You want it!
Give me the buzz!
Is that a 10?
No, that's a 9.
That's a 9.
There. That's horrible. Should be like really high.
It's like an answering machine.
Or like it's like
Hello!
hello? Oh! Turn it down. That's horrible. There it is. That's the one that'll wake me up right there.
Are you actually gonna use that?